The process of wood bending. Watch these skilled woodworkers bend and twist wood into unbelievable shapes. You might be wondering how all of that is possible. Well, it is because of the heat. See how effortlessly they mold and shape wood, showcasing incredible flexibility. I always wondered how this was done. It is incredible to see how they effortlessly transform raw material into breathtaking shapes that defy expectation. It's amazing how these craftsmen skillfully manipulate wood. We're simply amazed by this impressive process.